Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about tourism and the alignment of these new highways. Now, it's no coincidence that the highways alignments always benefit the tourism sector in Jamaica. For example, when Highway 2000 was being built, it was to connect Kingston to Montego Bay because of the two airports. And who uses the airport? Tourists. Kingston to Ocho Rios, it was to get people to the tourist destinations easily. It's in the documents as to the purpose of building the highway. So I don't see anything wrong with that, because tourism is very important to Jamaica. Now, they're going to expand the Northern Coastal Highway from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios, major tourism corridor. I think that's great because the hotels bring jobs and people into the country. So let the tourists get there easily. That's great. Now, this road we're driving on is Spur Tree Hill, and a new highway is going to be built from Mandeville to Black River, Hodges. And the alignment has now changed to include more tourist areas. So Treasure Beach is now going to be a part of the highway alignment, and Black River. Those are the two major tourist areas in this section. So let's talk about it. Yes, but just before we do that, Jamaica is going to welcome in 4.2 million visitors this year. 4.2 million. Now, do you know what the population of Jamaica is? 3 million. So more tourists are coming into Jamaica than you have Jamaicans living in Jamaica. Okay? More tourists are coming in. 4.2 million to an island that has a population of 3 million people. So clearly Jamaica is doing something right, because everybody wants to visit Jamaica. So they're building roads to facilitate those people coming in. But Jamaicans benefit also. Now, I just want to point out, not all the roads are toll roads, but all the roads lead to tourist destinations. You have another road now taking you from Kingston or the Norman Manley International Airport to St. Thomas on to Port Antonio. Those are major tourist areas. The Southern Coastal Highway, it's not a toll road, but that alignment also benefits tourist areas. In other words, nobody's building a road from Kingston up into the hills, because there's just no demand for that road. You have to build it where you get the most benefit. But Jamaicans also benefit because they use these roads. Jamaicans go to Ocho Rios, Jamaicans go to Negril, and between Kingston and Negril you have so many towns: Maypen, Mandeville, Old Harbour. But these roads lead to tourist destinations. Now, there are 3 major tourist towns in Jamaica. Port Antonio also, but not as big as these 3. Montego Bay, that's where the airport is. Every road in the west, major highway road, is going to lead to Montego Bay. Then you have Negril. The amount of highways that are heading to Negril, you're going to be able to get from Kingston to Negril. You're going to get from Montego Bay to Negril via highways. Then you have Ocho Rios. Again, the most important town on the north coast of Jamaica. As a matter of fact, I don't know, well, I've heard plans to upgrade them, but these areas are now going to become cities. I can guarantee you, Ocho Rios and Negril will become cities before Maypen, because of the tourism. And I'm not saying anything is wrong with it, I'm just telling you that all roads lead to these tourist destinations, which is fine. Jamaica benefits. But let me know what you think. about alignment of these roads and look at all the new sections of the road that are going to be built. So currently the highway goes from Kingston to Ocho Rios, but they're now going to, as a matter of fact, the North Coast is going to have 2 highways, because the section between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios they're expanding the Northern Coastal Highway, the most expensive road project in Jamaican history, or modern Jamaican history. That's including Trelawney, Discovery Bay, Runaway Bay, Draxall, major Montego Bay, Ocho Rios. The largest section of tourism in Jamaica is along that route. The largest section. The most hotels you're going to find in Jamaica, Airbnbs, villas, are between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. And then they're going to build a highway. The Northern Coastal Highway is not a toll road, it's free. It's like this road we're driving on, but they're going to expand it to 4 lanes and upgrade it. And then you have Highway 2000 that currently goes from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Highway 2000 north-south leg. That is going to be expanded to Trelawney. So you're going to have 2 major highways on the north coast of Jamaica. And I don't think that will ever happen in any other section of Jamaica. So tourism guides and these things. And they're trying to set back up the train service in Jamaica. The train service and Kingston, Portmore and Spanish Town have the largest population. But guess where they're going to start with the train service? From Montego Bay to the Appleton Estate. Tourism. I think that section is going to start before the Kingston, Portmore and Spanish Town routes. Market, I have a student service, but very, very small number of students use it. It applies to only a certain schools. So tourism is very important in Jamaica. Very important. Alright guys, let me know what you think about this. You can leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.